Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite. Let's see what energy wants to show through for you today, Aquarius. What's the message that wants to come forth for your love life? And these are general collective readings. Keep that in mind and take what works for you and leave the rest. Let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And yes, Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. Eight of Swords, center of my spread, but coming out of the stress and tension, or at least wanting to. That's the goal here. And Aquarius, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Bottom of my spread, I have the Justice card in reverse. So somebody is a little upset here, Aquarius. Somebody has lost trust, wanting to release some toxicity. Not very happy, trying to be happy, I guess. But there's a bit of problem in working together with somebody, feeling very drained out emotionally, but still trying to stay strong, I would say, because trying to come out of this overthinking and stress and tension. Feeling this relationship has become a little bit imbalanced. There's no justice here. So let me start with some dialogue message cards and see if there was something you would say to each other, Aquarius, what that would be. Aquarius and their person spirit. Of course, I will clarify all these cards later, but let's start with some dialogue message cards to see, get the ball rolling here and see if you guys want to say something to each other. Aquarius and their person spirit. Aquarius and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few from here. Aquarius and their person spirit. What would they like to say to each other if they could? All right. And I'm going to take a couple from here, which are messages from the heart. Aquarius and their person. All right. Good to go, Aquarius. Let's begin your reading. So the first card here says, you knowingly brought me into a clusterfuck of a situation. I trusted you to do what was right and you let me down. When you ran, I felt like I had lost my light and plunged into darkness. My heart and even my spirit shattered into pieces. I'm trying to heal, surrender, and trust in the divine plan, but I fear I'll never be the same again. You go to bed with someone else and your soul comes to make love to me. I know when you're with someone else and this just makes me feel heartbroken. You should be making love to me. Somebody that said has kind of lost trust here, feeling emotionally very drained out. I get so frustrated when you're on the phone when we are together. I want to get up and walk out of the room because it's very disrespectful. As I see our time together as sacred and believe it or not, limited. If we are spending precious time together, our attention should be on each other. Life is too short to keep your feelings to yourself. I cannot stay silent any longer with these words hidden inside my heart and my soul because they want to burst out of my chest and my mouth. I love you. I'm planning a romantic trip for us to reconnect. I want to cherish you with loving adoration. I'm planning a surprise engagement. A lot of surprises coming up for you, Aquarius. This could be, messages for some past and current. I don't know. There could be 2 people here. 3 people, I mean. I'm planning a surprise engagement. I want you to ask you to marry me. Will you say yes? So somebody is planning a romantic trip and also planning a surprise engagement. What I'm in most of need of, you cannot give me. I don't expect you to be perfect. I love your perfect imperfections because they make my life as perfect as one can imagine. And the last card here, Aquarius, says, I haven't been happy for a long time. Like I said, this could be messages with the past ex and maybe somebody new that's in your life now or coming up. All right, so Aquarius, let's begin our reading. Before I start clarifying these cards, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to bless this reading with an advice, guidance, or a message for you. For Aquarius, my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius. Healing. Yes, I think some injustice has been done to you, Aquarius, and right now you may be healing, or at least my angels are saying, don't worry, we are sending you healing. Whatever you're troubled about, that situation is on its way to get healed. Okay, so let's put this beautiful card here. I do see somebody wanting to come out of a very stressful time, maybe been overthinking, trapped in their mind, but trying to get out of it as best as they can. So let's clarify these cards now, Aquarius. What's the Sun card in reverse and the Devil in reverse, Spirit? Sun card in reverse and the Devil in reverse. Sun and Devil in reverse, Spirit. Yeah, somebody's not been happy in a certain situation for a long time. Like this card said, I haven't been happy for a long time. Maybe there was no happiness here. Somebody is releasing something toxic in their life, or maybe someone toxic in their life. It's like feeling like this is the end. I don't trust anymore. I don't love anymore. I'm angry and upset with whoever this thing was. Devil in reverse. Devil in reverse. Yes, see, the Queen of Cups has come out the second time round. This has been a very draining experience, emotionally overwhelming experience where I think this feminine is feeling that every ounce of her energy, love, resources has just been drained out of her and left. Somebody feel it's time to release now. It's time to release this toxicity from my life. Queen of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Queen of Swords in reverse. Queen of Swords in reverse. This is like cutting off, yes, wanting justice for yourself in a situation which was never just. So feeling that, this was not a balanced equation here. So if I have to bring back balance to my life, then I have to be a bit ruthless here. Maybe, cut off something which no longer works for me, which has been draining my energy out. To be able to bring back justice to one's own life. Three of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, some truth and clarity has come to this feminine now that this situation is just not working out. It's not going to work out. They are crystal clear now about the fact that they have to cut off something and let some kind of a burden go from their life. Now, this could be a past person that this person is letting go of. Somebody who never, gave them that love, that affection, that time or effort that they were seeking at one point. So this is letting go of a burden and coming out of this stressful time of always worrying, thinking, stressed out. Eight of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. Eight of Swords in reverse. I think whoever this feminine is tried to stay very strong for a very long time, hoping, that the wheel of fortune would move one day, things will get better, but finally realizing that I deserve the best. I deserve a Four of Wands. I deserve good luck in my life, and I think has picked up their courage now to, yes, go out and see what else is out there. turning their back to a painful, stressful situation in their life to say, I'm no longer going to stay worried. I'm going to go out and seek my Four of Cups. I'm going to be strong once again, and I'm going to invite the Wheel of Fortune now to move smoothly and invite in my good fortune, which I'm entitled to. Queen of Cups in reverse. Queen of Cups in reverse. Queen of Cups in reverse. Yes, they've put an end to getting drained out now. I think this situation has gone on for so long. I think from the Queen of Cups energy, which was probably very loving and kind, over-giving all the time, this person has transformed themselves to be the Queen of Swords now. To say, hey, listen, I've got my sword up now, and I'm cutting off anything that doesn't work for me. I'm putting an end to somebody draining me out all the time. Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups. The only little bit confusion right now, I think, with this Queen of Cups right now, I don't know, Aquarius, if that is you, or maybe that's your cross watcher. They little bit of confusion that they have is they don't know what to put their time and effort in at the moment, because they don't want to make a foolish mistake in their life. They want to be very sure. They want to take back control of their life. They want to start something stable. Yes, they're manifesting something which is going to be very, very stable in their life. Like, if I have to start from scratch and I have all these options now in front of me, I must make wise decisions for my life and not make another mistake again. This person is still undergoing some kind of healing, this Queen of Cups, as to what to put their energy and effort in. So, Knight of Pentacles, Spirit. Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Yes, this Queen of Cups is feeling a bit ungrounded. Maybe they were used to being, in a relationship or whatever earlier. So now, right now, the little bit of fear is there, but they are picking themselves up, picking up their strength, and I think ready now to work with other people or on themselves or something after something hasn't worked out. Some stability of theirs has been rocked. Okay, Temperance. Temperance in reverse. There's a lot of healing that's required before this new beginning. That's what I feel. Temperance in reverse is being a little impatient for this new beginning, but still unhealed at the moment. What's this Temperance card, Spirit? Yes, happy but not that happy right now. This card has come out twice. They just want to make sure that they make the right decision now, make the right choice, stay away from anyone who's going to disrupt their life or, encounter any player energy. So there's a little contemplation here, but they are trying to pick themselves up and take back control of their own life first. Temperance in reverse, Spirit. There is a lot of movement coming, that's for sure, Aquarius. Maybe the first step has been to start communicating, drop something which is not working, stop being at crossroads now, and communicating about that in a healthy fashion to say, the memories I have now with my past are not that great. I need to make a decision for myself and not be at crossroads forever. This is an active choice, an active decision. Not the happiest one to make, but yes, it's if something in your life was very, very unstable and not giving you a balance, then it's best now, Aquarius, to communicate about this injustice, pick up your sword and find healing within your own self right now. Okay, so I know it's scary, but required, because that's what's going to prepare you for a rebirth. Good karma is on your side. Don't worry, the angels will send healing to you. Okay, so love and light. Take care. Namaste. I don't know what this new energy is coming towards you. You may be a bit afraid, but it seems good to me from what I see. Till next time then,